Hello everybody, welcome back to another 3 Minutes at 3.
Today we're going to talk about what drains your energy.
So, this is a big one. This one's a tough one. You know, you have to be out there. Everybody has something. I don't care if you're the happiest person on the face of the earth. Mm-hmm. There is something you loathe, that you hate doing, and it just drains you of all energy, all possible energy. My biggest thing that drains me of energy is conflict. I hate conflict. I stray away from it as much as I can. I stay away from all political debates of any sort. It just drains you. It just absolutely drains you and sucks your life away. And so, henceforth, I don't have a Facebook account. Looky there, you know, that's big reasons. But anyways, this isn't a rant. This isn't a Roy rant video. You have to wait on that. But like conflicts and just having conflicts about finances or money or, you know, a particular customer that's, you know, not happy with their items. I'd rather just, here, take your money back. I'm done. I don't want to talk about it because it just drains all that energy and all that productive juices that I had flowing for the day. So
I would also say when stuff isn't organized for you, that is very, like when things are cluttered, that makes it hard and difficult for you to get work done.
Yeah. Sometimes my shop is a very big drain on me just because there's so much stuff and it's just like, it's not what I want it to be. Mm-hmm. I would love for it to have a lot more organization, but when you have such a small space, there's a limit to what you can do.
Yeah, and one thing about me is I'm an introvert, so it took quite a bit for me to even start doing videos with Roy and to be able to speak to the camera, and I'm kind of now getting comfortable with it. But like going to big parties and things like that, like I clam up like instantly, like as soon as I'm through the door, like I just clam up. And I kind of have to work through that, you know, that's something I can't get around, you know, just being around people is part of life.
Yeah, and it really drains her to the point where, you know, when she comes home and stuff, you know, she pretty much just like goes upstairs. She doesn't want to deal with the kids. She just wants to go upstairs and like curl up under the covers and just be done for the day. But I guess that's true about most introverts. Though.
Yeah, it is. But yeah, I mean, you do need to know your weaknesses so that you can work with them and even work at improving them if necessary.
Yeah. And, you know, I'm a fairly outgoing person, so I definitely push the envelope with, you know, being out there and, you know, so that's not a problem for me. So we're a good balance, I think.
Yeah, we are.
So anyways, so that's it for this 3 Minutes at 3. We really hope you all enjoyed it.
Thank you for watching.
And like we always say, God bless you.
And we'll catch you on the next one.